Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of visual text synthesis and comprehension. Okay, so very, very quickly, give me 1 second because we've got a lot to cover today. Okay, some tips. Javen, can I get you to read this, please?
There is usually at least one of such questions in VTC. Always remember that for one option to be correct, the other options will all be wrong. In order to tackle them accurately, you should do the following. Read the question carefully to see if the question is asking for a true or false statement. B. Read each option carefully. Often, the small details in an option make it true or false. Underline the detail that does not add up. C. Practice elimination by checking each option against the poster. Rachel, yeah, do I read this now?
Give me 1 second. I'm trying to. Why is there no pen? Sorry. 1 second. Why do I have a laser pointer and not a pen?
Because laser pointer is popular.
Sorry.
Label T or F.
Okay.
Options.
Label T or F.
Sorry for the
After
disruptions.
checking
Sorry
each
for the
option
disruptions.
to avoid
Sorry for the disruptions.
confusing it yourself.
Sorry for the disruption. Sorry for the disruptions.
Sing that, Aiman.
That's Aiman, bro.
Oh,
That's
you're
what.
having difficulty here. I'm trying to
It's
write.
obviously Aiman, but you can just tell by looking at it.
Yeah.
Oh, what do you mean by that? Like, what do you mean by that?
Nothing.
Okay, let's try this.
Tomorrow my English spelling.
Unity Rizzler.
Aiman, stop it, Aiman.
All right.
Yeah, lor. Naughty boy.
Boy, naughty boy.
Naughty boy.
You're such a yabba mouth.
Sorry, but what did you just say?
Oh, Haley is eating.
Yeah, no, you can't eat in class.
Yeah, you can't eat in class.
Later ants come to your house.
Yeah, later and come. Later got cockroach. Later.
Haley, don't bother them.
No, just she not allowed to eat. Eat.
It's not like you never eat before.
Yeah, you can eat, but not on the Zoom. That's disrespectful.
You got eat on the Zoom lah.
I eat before. I better not talk about it because Chinese lesson I eat potato chip.
You ate potato chip in Chinese?
And Chinese.
Oh my god.
Sometimes math also.
Sorry, darling, yeah, continue. So underline the detail that does not add up and then
Yeah,
continue.
I already read that part.
Oh, okay. And then eliminate. Okay, so this one, what they're talking about here, all right, is your true or false question. And in your visual text, how many marks is your visual text question?
12.
Hello?
8.
Thank you. All right,
16 or
8 mark question. And out of that, you will get at least one true or false question. All right. Could you read the second one?
Haley.
Read it! Stop eating!
Even stop it.
Sorry.
Haley, read.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Tips to handle video text question. Know the meaning of common time expression. Question may ask you how often an event occurs or when the deadline to register for an event is. In such cases, you will need to understand the meaning of certain time expression in order to be accurate. Let's take a look at some confusing ones.
Okay, stop there for a second. All right, so 2 things that I want to tell you is sometimes when they give you visual text, they'll ask you the frequency of the event. How often does it happen? All right, how often? All right, is it once a week, twice a week? And secondly, they will ask you about deadline. Not always, sometimes, all right? So remember biennial, biannual, and annual. Biennial means happening once every 2 years.
And
Biannual means happening twice a year. All right, and annual means once a year. So you must be able to remember this.
So
Sini,
what's wrong with your head?
sorry, what?
Why your head got why there is like a little pointy thing here?
Is that
What?
circle? Your
Are
hair is
you wearing a hat?
What?
Are you
Your
wearing a
hair-
hat? You're wearing a hat.
I don't know what you all are talking about.
Oh,
Mine,
I thought it was a hat. I thought it was a hat. I thought it was a hat. Yeah, 1 year.
yeah, I'm trying to prepare you all for PSLE, you silly goose. And then you are more interested about my hair.
I
Well,
don't need.
please don't
I
let
don't
me
need.
No, we
see
need to look on.
I
we need to
PSA.
focus. But that little circle thing is kind of distracting. So that's why.
So isn't it better if I just do this?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it's
yeah, yeah.
better.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay. Great.
That's a silly goose. Okay, come on. There's so much to cover today. I can't believe you thought my hair was a hat.
Look,
Nobody said
feet,
my hair was a hat.
feet.
It's so stupid. How can it look like a hat?
Yo, why the hat? Bro, it's a hat.
I look like because you are.
Teacher, I think you just cut off your hair.
Maybe you shave your hair, we won't have this problem.
Yeah, it's called money saved. You don't even need to go to barber. Just take a
Yeah,
scissor
this is
cut
all
everything
going to
lah.
come up for your PSLE, right? Very important to talk now. All right, let's go on.
Yeah, you
so-
also need to cut hair.
Bi means twice, annual means a year. Oh, sorry. So it is very, very important that you remember terms like this, okay? And then also, Sini, could you read the number 2, by and before?
By and before, please register for the event by 18 June 2024. Please register for the event before 18 June 2024. In the above sentences, one different word has caused the deadline for registration to differ. By is an inclusive term. The deadline would include the date behind by. Before is an inclusive term. The deadline is 1 day before the date behind before. Please register for the event by 18 June 2024. You can still register on 18 June 2024. Please register for the event before 18 June 2024. The last day of registration is 17 June 2024.
A, B, C,
Thank
D.
you. So it's very important that you know the difference between by and before. By, it's an inclusive, that means by 18 meaning including 18. Before 18 means 17 June. So it is important for you to know. Ayman, can you read this?
Look for the main purpose of the poster, not a specific event mentioned in the poster, in the right place. The main aim of this flyer is to how do we answer the questions on purpose? Look out for A. Read the title of the poster. B. Look for verbs that get you to carry out some action after reading the poster.
Thank you. All right. So it is very, very important that, for example, attending and participating in an event, they will ask, say things like come, join, sign up now. When they want you to learn a skill, they say things like learn to do this, pick up a new skill. If they want you to do something in a meaningful activity, they say join, be part, do your part, be a volunteer. All right. So it's very, very important. We have already done this. Haven't we done this already?
No.
Yes.
No.
We done.
No,
Yeah,
lah.
we haven't done yet. Haven't done yet.
I thought we did this already.
No.
No, we haven't.
We have done this already, right? I remember going through this.
I'm sure.
No, that's our today's homework.
No. Yeah lah.
Yeah, that's our homework.
But did we do this already?
No, we
No.
didn't. Last time we did was like the tuition one.
Huh?
Yeah, sure, we haven't do it. We haven't do it. I think we have to do it again.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes, hey, we haven't do it. We haven't do it. Hey, we got to do it before.
The students are always right.
Okay, let's
Yes,
go.
right. Teachers ultimate wrong.
I thought we did this already.
Actually,
We haven't.
we did.
All right, what is the main purpose of the fly? You see, Sini is telling me as well. We did it already. Hello.
Sini don't know what he talking about one lah. Listen to the boy.
Hello.
Haley, did we do this before?
Haley.
We never. Seriously?
Yeah, we never. Sini, you go
This,
back to
Haley,
your,
we did this
your
already.
Tuesday lesson.
Pop night, classic night fever, family day.
Oh, yeah,
I memorized all the answers. The answer is 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3.
Wait, so if you remember the answers, then doesn't that mean we already did it?
Yeah, I know. I think we did it already. Silly goose.
Hello.
No, but because I did today, then I memorized the answer.
That's
Wow.
I need to see a manager.
Did we do this synthesis and transformation?
Yes, this one we done already.
Yeah, we did all of it.
Yeah, we did all of it. I think we can play Kahoot for like 1
No,
hour.
we can play other drawing game. What is the drawing game?
Oh, I think I know why. Because there was one week you all said you all. Oh, so this is the one that we already did.
Oh,
Wait, what you-
no, we haven't.
Why are you laughing about?
Wait.
I'm not laughing.
What's your cooking up, bro?
But we haven't done the compre yet.
No, we done the compre already.
No, we never do the compre.
Yeah, we
Oh, but-
did. Teacher, students are always right.
We did half of the compre.
No, we didn't do the compre. Alright, come, let's do compre.
Wait, sir, does that mean after the compre we can play Kahoot?
We're not playing any game, it's illegal.
Why?
It's prelim tomorrow.
We should do synthesis because synthesis will be a good practice. Okay, come, let's do this. Alright, I'm on to number 1. Don't
Can be
tell
number
me.
3.
Okay, read the question and give me the answer.
Silence. Mary told her brother not to tell how he had managed to solve the math equation.
Alright, Mary told her brother not to
Tell her how he had managed to solve the math equation.
tell her how he had managed to solve.
The math equation.
Oh, right.
No, can I be number 2? I want to be number 2.
No.
No need.
I like
Sini,
number
number
2.
10.
Who?
Sini, number 10.
Oh, I thought you did. Can I be number 3?
Okay.
With the early dismissal of the students, the canteen vendors panicked as the food was not ready.
With the early dismissal of the students, comma, must say the comma, Sini, the canteen vendors,
Panicked as the food was not ready.
panicked as the food
Education.
was not ready. Javen, 11.
Not having baked a pie before, David made a huge mess in the kitchen. I might know.
Comma. Not having baked a pie before, comma.
Sure, I did say a comma,
I didn't hear it. David made a
but I did
huge,
huge mistake in the huge mess in the kitchen.
not mess, not mistake, mess.
Mess.
All right, Haley, number 12.
Her friends sing praises of Susan because of her friendliness and her helpfulness.
Her friends, why not just say Susan's friends? Isn't that better?
Yeah.
Sing praises
So how
of
do you sing
her
praises?
because of her friendliness. And what is the other one?
And helpfulness.
Thank you.
Excuse me, teacher, I got a question.
Yes.
How do you sing praises?
To sing praises is a term that
I
you
thought you
use
sing
to-
song and then
No,
you praise someone.
Your praise means you're telling very good things. Javen is so smart. Javen is brilliant. Javen is handsome. Javen is amazing. What am I
All that
doing?
is kept.
I'm actually lying, but never mind. Sorry. Sorry, no sorry. Okay, what I did was I was singing your praises. Okay, smile. Suddenly so quiet. Okay, I'm on quote number 1. It can be very tiring to work all day without taking a break. Working
Working without taking a break can be very
Fisherman.
No, wrong.
Fisherman's friend. Lemon.
Wrong. Working
working all day without taking